Today, we'll be taking you through an example of how to create an investment plan using a low-risk strategy. We'll take you through the process of building a resilient portfolio that can combat inflation. Let's start by opening the XTB app and clicking on the Investment Plans tab. For this demonstration, as we're aiming to build a low-risk strategy, we'll set our risk score between 1 to 5. Low-risk investing, however, doesn't mean no risk. There's always a risk when investing, but certain ETFs tend to be less volatile than others. We can start by filtering what type of ETFs we want to be investing in. We can keep the currency set at GBP and USD, and we'll choose ETFs with a Morningstar rating of 3 stars and above. Now, industry sectors is where we can take control of the ETFs we're searching for. Today, we'll be picking US stocks. US stocks are often well sought after as they're part of the biggest market in the world. We'll also be picking tech and innovation, as tech stocks tend to be amongst some of the biggest stocks in the world. Tech companies like Apple and Microsoft, they've been trading for over 30 years and tend to be well-liked options for low-risk investing. The NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are popular places to look at for low-risk investing also. We can select dividend stocks, as we'll be looking for ETFs with blue-chip stocks that provide dividends, as when pursuing a low-risk strategy, you may want to avoid younger companies and emerging markets that may not. With this selection, you would also want to select the automatic reinvestment of dividends, as we're investing for the long term. We'll also pick the low volatility filter option as well. We can also turn on the smart filter, which will make it easier to find our desired ETFs by excluding similar ETFs and showing the ones with the highest assets. Now let's click Apply and see what ETFs we can add to our investment plans. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 are typically popular choices, so we're going to add them to our plan by clicking the green plus side on the right side of the ETF. There are a few more options for ETFs here, and by looking at the ETFs page, we can see their 5-year return, their risk score and Morningstar rating. However, if you want a deeper look at an ETF, you can click on the I button and look at the basic info, key facts, past performance, and portfolio of an ETF. Remember, information is key, and on the XTB app, you can make sure you're well informed on the ETFs you invest in before deciding to add them to your plan. We'll pick our desired ETFs for our investment plan and hit Next. Afterwards, we'll select the allocation of funds in our investment plan. Here, you can make certain ETFs have a larger fund allocation than others in your plan. In this example, we'll be keeping an equal allocation. Once done, you can now create your investment plan and even come up with a cool name and an icon to make it stand out. Next, you'll need to top up. There are 2 options here: invest manually and auto invest. If you want to set up some automation in your investing, you can start by using the auto invest feature. We can do this through either the funds in our XTB account or via bank transfer. And that's all there is to it. You can also manage your plan by adding funds, editing your plan and its setting, along with other things as well. Get started now with investment plans by downloading the XTB app in the App Store today.